There's a plan in the making using the money of a $171,000 grant. It piggybacks onto a park familiar to neighbors in the South End known for blueberries. And now an entire free food forest is getting closer to reality.
Just off East Street in Tacoma's South End is Charlotte's Blueberyy Park. It's an edible park owned and managed by Metro Parks Tacoma. It's also a popular place for blueberry pickers and community gardeners. Plus, it's got a new addition coming along called a free food forest.
It's kind of a forest landscape that emulates kind of a natural wooded area that you would see walking about any park or forest. But the difference is that you would be able to take something nutritious away from that.
The free food forest is coming to the park later this year thanks to a partnership with Tacoma's South End Neighborhood Council and Metro Parks Tacoma.
There is a lot of connection between the Food Forest project and the work that's already going on here, between the partnerships that are being built and what already exists. So there's actually multiple groups working in this park at any given time or that have added some projects.
With the support of a $171,000 grant from the Washington Department of Natural Resources, plans are in the works for fruit and nut trees to be part of the landscape.
We want everybody to just come into this space and take what they feel like they need. And anything that goes unused, we have a dedicated amount that's going to go to the garden folks who will then give it away to the community members who come by.
A community garden shares a portion of the park as well, with volunteer groups grooming the blueberry bushes and caring for other forms of park maintenance.
And Metro Parks will support it by maintaining it as necessary.
If you want to get involved now, there is going to be input opportunities for the food forest, but there are already groups that are working that could use some help.
The free food forest concept will have a multi-plan design of creating edibles while contributing to Tacoma's urban tree canopy. Expectations are for tree planting to occur later this year. For Tacoma Report, I'm Dave Gordon.